पूरा नहीं, आप लोग चढ़ाना था, सब हाथ में लगाते। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा हिमाचल हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
आ जाओ।
Colleagues, principal, superintendent sir, and the other dignitaries on the dais, and my dear colleagues, the security staff, and the fourth class employees, and my dear faculty. I congratulate you on this Republic Day, and let us strive for the betterment of the college, our society, and our country. Thank you very much.
डॉक्टर रेखा मैडम से ख्वाहिश करता हूँ कि वो आपसे 26 जनवरी के बारे में मुखातिब।
Hearty congratulations to all the dignitaries on the dais, and to all my regards to my all senior colleagues, and best wishes to my junior colleagues and the junior doctors and all other employees. So on the eve of Republic Day, I request all my junior doctors to work with open mind. This year we are celebrating our Republic Day in a very open space with all natural resources. Like that, we must work with open mind, with all our dedication to the hospital, and we should improve our hospital and our work. Thank you all.
हॉस्पिटल और इसी ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल से ख्वाहिश करूँगा कि वो आपसे मुखातिब।
Good morning everybody. We are celebrating the 72 Republic Day. The reason why we celebrate is we celebrate and commemorate the people who have fought the war for independence. They have fought the war 72 years back, and presently I congratulate our medical team for we are the present day warriors, whether it is in the form of doctors, nurses, ward by Daya. In this pandemic time, we have fought a great war, and successfully we have achieved that, not only to the level of patient care but also to the level of the vaccination also. Yesterday we have started the vaccination program for all our staff, and I expect others also to participate in that, and with this all I wish you all the best.
डॉक्टर अशफाक साहब से ख्वाहिश करूँगा कि वो आपसे मुखातिब फरमाएं।
So good morning everybody, thank you for being here. On this particular Republic Day, I would only like to do one thing, and that is to thank every single person here for the efforts that he or she has made in terms of improving our institution, our state and our country. Because we have been passing through very, very challenging times. We have behaved with the discipline and the decorum that befits people who are working in this particular institute, and we will take it forward definitely until we have eradicated and come through this particular pandemic, which has proven to be one of the worst challenges in the history of mankind. So I thank you with the bottom of my heart, and I would urge you to take forward the visions and the implementation of the great plans that we have for this institution. Thank you very much.
आपका एडिशनल मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट वाइस प्रिंसिपल सिद्धार्थ साहब का, हमारे बशीर साहब का और हमारे पूरे स्टाफ का, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह उनको शायद हमारे जनाब अकबरुद्दीन साहब मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर साहब का भी, जो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सब तमाम स्टाफ का।